down broad leaves with Steve on the mic. And Jeffrey wants to know how you're fucking tonight. And people wanna know how you deal. And people wanna know how you feel. And people wanna know how you feel. Yeah, the sky. Aching bodies on the floor will call you a whore. The rainbow road, take me to the shore. For sure. Sweat dripping out of all of my pores. Malcolm X still ain't open up the door. The people wanna know how you feel. People wanna know how you deal. People wanna know how you feel. The sky. Well, you got a bad case of the elevator blues. I said I know it's broken down, but baby, I gotta want to. I said, why ain't you reach out sooner for a hand? You said I wasn't gonna, but the repair boys in La La Land. Well, that elevator was in a field surrounded by fog. From the look on my baby's face, I could tell that something was wrong. Well, that elevator started to shake and rumble and roar. Turns out the devil was inside when I opened up the door. Take it away, Gunk. The devil said, if you want this working, you gotta give me your soul. paid my dues and avoided the toll. So the devil shook my hand, took my soul, and away he flew. Now I'm down a soul, but my baby's free of the elevator blues. Yeah, I'm down a soul, but my baby's free of the elevator blues.